listen, Ranveer is very possessive of me and he doesn't like it when I talk about other people. So.
सावधान।
तो आजकल कहते हैं लोग लव के लिए कुछ भी करेगा, प्रमोशन के लिए भी आजकल लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं। तो ऐसे में प्रमोशन के लिए क्या फिर से टैटूज वगैरह दिखाई देंगे या फिर पहले करते हुए दिखा देंगे?
बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक के साथ आए।
दीपिका जवाब चाहिए।
भगवान ने जवाब दिया, वो देखा? आई थिंक ये बहुत ही कमाल का बेहुदा सवाल है। दीपिका ने कोई टैटू प्रमोशन के लिए लाया। it's really silly and I really pray for you कि आप जब वापस जाएंगे अपने ऑफिस में तो आपको they welcome you with open arms as a hero कि आपने ये सवाल you brought to this press conference. But having said that, I don't think any actor in the film fraternity they do things for promotion, for marketing of a film. हमारी भी लाइफ होती है, हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ होती है। जो फिल्म है ये हमारा काम है, हम बहुत कुछ करते हैं फिल्म के लिए, but that is it. जब हम घर जाते हैं, we have our own personal lives, we have our parents, we have our family, we have our friends. So I think you should respect that. When you ask a question like this, और अगर दीपिका जवाब देगी, तो वो आपके आर्टिकल बन जाएगा. So I think it's best that you would also have a little bit of dignity at a press conference like this, at a platform like this, and not bring up questions like this. I'm sorry if I have said the wrong thing.
You did a film together, Bachna Hai Hasino, and this is your second film together. So, during Bachna Hai Hasino, you were more than co-stars. But any odd moments during this film, while shooting?
Not at all. And I've always maintained that, me and Deepika worked together 4 years back now. It was our second film together. And we were very new. We were still, finding ourselves in movies as actors. And today when I work with Deepika, I'm really amazed because I can really proudly say that she's fantastic in the film. And seeing her growth as an actor, seeing, her experience, her intelligence, what she has brought to the character. And it's amazing to work with co-stars like this because it only makes your job easier. If one would smile. See, when you have such a pretty smile, such a pretty actress working opposite you, you automatically can act like you're in love. It's not hard to act in love with her, but so I think it's amazing her growth as an actor, and I don't think there was any awkwardness. We both were really passionate about this film. We both were actually more nervous for Ayan. He's really our dear friend, and he's worked so hard on this film that we thought we should just bring our talent, the best of our capabilities to this movie, and then blame it on Ayan if it works.
Throughout the movie, there were reports. I mean, you keep reading, you kept reading. Sometimes about you guys not doing very well together. Sometimes you guys being more than friends, and Katrina being jealous of it. How would you react to that, and how do you guys deal with that concept?
I was actually waiting thus far that there would be a question about the film, which is what I said earlier on. I think anyone's personal relationship should be kept aside when you come and talk about a film. We are releasing a film on the 31st of May that's directed by Ayan Mukherjee. It's called Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. It stars Ranveer and Deepika. It's not a wedding invite. It's a film. So I just want to tell you, you've been invited for the press conference of a film, not a wedding or a nuptial ceremony of any kind. So I think if we keep the questions related to the film, it would make me very proud of all of you.
And also to add to that, when reports like this come, sometimes the toilet paper gets over in the bathroom. I use it as toilet paper because that's all it's meant for, nothing else.
बदतमीज दिल क्या होता है?
Badtameez Dil is an attitude of being irreverent, of being free, of shirking the rules of society. So it's an attitude of the boy in the film. That's it, and it's a fun hook line. I hope people can sing it, dance to it, enjoy it.
He just actually intellectualized a hook line, which is fantastic. Thank you, Ayan. Badtameez Dil catchy lyrics है यार. Hit हो जाए ना तो हम कहेंगे वाह क्या line. नहीं hit हुआ तो बोलेंगे. अब इसको अभी intellectualize करना है तो हम कर सकते हैं कि it's about the irreverence of life, the subtleties of joys. It's about the abandonment of youth. Actually, it's just a really potential hit hook line. That's what it is.